It's a quick video to explain how to make the coffee in the coffee mocha pot, the Italian one. As you know, the bottommost cup, you just unlock it and then add some water to that level where that extension drip off is there, and then put the coffee powder in the removable slot, and then close the jar very well tightly with the gaskets and everything there on the bottom, and then wipe. Make sure the wiped off bottom is kept on the stove top and switched on, and then in 5 minutes it just steams out, and then you can get the coffee dripping on the top. It's like that. Like once you see it's everything is coming out, you can take it out and the decoction is ready. That's it. You can mix with your milk or cream, whichever you like, or drink directly with sugar, without sugar. And this video was created when I was staying in Milan, Italy, in the Airbnb. Thanks to that